go into our house. I think we need a bigger garage. We're holding up traffic. It's a beautiful day in Sicily for a tile delivery. How long do you think the house is done?
Whole project? 3 months, give or take.
Probably done in 3 months. Yeah.
More take than give.
Holding up traffic again.
That's what we do here. Little streets, big projects.
It's one way to get things up and down. We love the old terrazzo floor, but it's not in great shape. If we were going to flip this house or rent it out, we would 100% be on trend with terrazzo. However, we want to keep the centuries-old house for decades to come, so we need something that is both timeless, durable, and cost-effective. We've chosen ceramic tile in a neutral tone to put throughout the house. Hi, just a house update for you. Obviously, we've had some big changes. Kind of want to show you some of the stuff that we've done. We're right here on the 3rd level, which is floor 2012. And you can see it's starting to look almost done.
Yeah, I mean, all the plaster work, obviously not touch-ups, but the primary plaster work is done. We're ready for the can lighting and all the ceilings here.
Yeah, we still need windows. We still need doors. We still need to get our kitchen appliances and cabinetry.
Right, but all sort of finishing things at this point, which is pretty great.
Okay, so we have some big decisions to make this week. We need to decide what color we want our doors and windows to be.
It's a huge decision.
Yeah, I mean, that is the face of the house. We're in this old historic area of town, so we can't even use metal. It has to be wood. So we either stain it or repaint it.
So it'll be wood framed versus ideally you use aluminum just because it's going to last longer, but we're in the historic district, so gotta do what we gotta do, which is fine.
Yes, I am leaning towards jewel colors, like these bright tones, but probably a blue.
I like blue.
Originally, a lot of the places were done in like a deep green, which is actually pretty cool too. Kind of looks like the Italian flag. So that's an option too.
Yeah, not a bad one.
Floor 1 is not complete yet. So we still need to get down there and get busy on our master suite and our garage. Floor is 0, but it's the 1st floor.
Yeah, ground floor.